Disclaimer: all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Damon back with another video, and as y'all boys can see, I literally just put 30 in the tank, bro. You know what I'm saying? And I'm finna drive this shit out tonight. So as y'all boys can see, I got the beast right here. Damn, that boy going crazy. Look at him. Oh shit. Now I'm just playing, but yeah, boys, finna be giving y'all boys a POV tonight and the beast, feel me? Make sure y'all boys follow me on IG, hit me up. Y'all niggas need to tap in. So yeah, this is the beast right here, bro. You know what I'm saying? Not finna be doing too much tonight, just having a chill night, bro, feel me?
Stop the cap.
So with that being said, let's get into the video, bro. Ooh, damn, that shit sound nice. In a real way. Alright, boys, we're merging right now, one lane. Feel me? Oh shit. Them boys working over there, you know, making the roads better for us. The best thing, bro. Got his lights off and shit. Alright, chat, but let's be real though. In a real way, bro, who the fuck want to smoke tonight, bro? Fuck that chill shit, bro. Change the gear, bro. I don't. That shit doesn't even feel like I fucking changed the gear, bro. Alright, boys, just finna race this slingshot right here, bro. See that boy looking? See that boy looking? He don't want to smoke. Boy, look at the EO on the smoke, bro. Oh shit. Oh, that boy in the Benz going crazy. Fuck that nigga. I'm fucking with this Benz up here, bro. So I'm not gonna capture y'all boys. The car is feeling like not too aggressive, so I gotta put this bitch in sport. Yeah, I like that. boy is back. Oh shit, my boy is back. came all the way over here for what? What is this nigga trying to do, bruh? Get this nigga. Yo, this nigga crazy, bro. This nigga driving mad close, son. Like, what is Omi doing, bro? Boy put his window down and shit. What the fuck, this nigga? I bet you bro think he's the fastest shit right now. Cap to y'all boys, I did not get a tune as yet, but I feel like it's about that time, boys. I need to get a tune for my car, need to get a flame map on my shit, and need to get the cat deleted, all that good shit, you feel me? I will do that shit soon. It's just I've been busy, bro. Like, nigga trying to make some bread, bro. I've been super busy, but definitely chat, I will be doing all that shit. If y'all boys didn't know, my M4, my turbo went. I'm trying to get a fucking single turbo for that bitch. Go crazy in that motherfucker. Feel me? And which way to Brickle? That way? This way? I think I could drive both ways, but alright, I'm gonna drive this way and go around. I think that would be faster, or maybe that one would be faster, but I already made it right, so I think I gotta go straight. Wait. What the fuck am I doing? Where am I going? Okay, yeah, make a left right here, go straight up, make a few left, and I'm in Brickle, bro. Let's see who is over Brickle. Fucking 12 at night. And let's see if we could get some people reaction of the cat itself, bro. Feel me? coming out of Brickell. And I'm going inside of it. Alright boys, my camera died. I think this is the way. What the fuck? Go. Go, bro. BMW owners be like, I'm not gonna capture y'all boys, but Brickell is dead today, bro. Or maybe not. Got mad people over here in this motherfucker. Oh. That's how niggas drop the top in those Mustang, bro. From the top right there. My shit is by my armrest. That was fast as fuck though, not gonna cap. Because it's soft top. Yeah, chat. Ain't nothing better than having Mentos at 12:30 in night while driving your Hellcat. Nothing better than that. Promise you.